At dawn, the Sakura bonsai breathes. Tiny buds glisten with dew, whispering the promise of spring. A gentle breeze stirs its branches. Each tremor carries the quiet anticipation of blossoms yet to unfold. Framed against the pale morning sky, the Sakura bonsai stands in stillness, a sentinel of renewal. Draw closer. A single bud swells with life, holding within it the fleeting miracle soon to bloom. The Sakura bonsai awakens in light. Blossoms unfurl slowly, fragile petals opening to greet the day. Following the branch, blossoms emerge in sequence. Petals catch the sunlight, shimmering with quiet joy. Across its branches, scattered blossoms glow, each a fleeting star in the universe of spring. The Sakura bonsai awakens in harmony. Blossoms unfurl across its branches, a chorus of petals greeting the light. The canopy of the Sakura bonsai glows in fullness, a crown of blossoms, dense and radiant, breathing spring into silence. Close among the blossoms, fragile petals drift with the breeze, each one a fleeting sigh of beauty. In its moment of glory, the Sakura bonsai releases its gift. Blossoms fall gently, reminding us that beauty lives in passing. Drawn inward, the bonsai becomes part of a greater garden, a sanctuary where blossoms and silence meet. Within each petal lies a universe, fragile, luminous, a fleeting breath of spring's perfection. Beside the bonsai, words of old whisper, poetry and petals entwined in timeless harmony. Lanterns glow softly, echoing Hanami nights. The bonsai becomes a beacon of celebration and renewal. With patient hands, the master prunes, shaping blossoms into balance, a meditation in living form. Blossoms merge with ink strokes, art and nature dissolving into one fleeting vision. Petals fall across haiku verses, each word and blossom a reminder of impermanence. From fading blossoms, green shoots awaken, renewal hidden within the silence of loss. Leaves unfurl gently, carrying the promise that beauty returns even after its passing. The bonsai rests complete, framed by veranda and scroll, a sanctuary where blossoms and silence meet. The Sakura bonsai rests in quiet dignity, framed by the scroll's wisdom, a living poem upon the table. At dusk, the Sakura bonsai stands in quiet silhouette. Blossoms have passed, yet its spirit endures in stillness. The light fades as the bonsai recedes, a gentle reminder that beauty lingers even as it departs. Close among its branches, silence remains. Stripped of blossoms, the bonsai speaks in pure minimalist grace. As the silhouette of the Sakura bonsai fades into dusk, its blossoms gone, yet its spirit eternal. Let this quiet moment remind us of beauty's impermanence. Join this journey of bonsai and reflection. Subscribe and continue walking with us through seasons of stillness and bloom.